Hey, guys, are you eating a delicious lunch? It's time for Green Boy cooking. This time, I will make a bento box with pork seasoned with ginger. In Japan, it is a very popular dish as a home taste. It doesn't take long, it's easy to make, and it goes well with rice. You can eat delicious food even if you eat out, but it is very useful because you can easily make it at home. So let's make it right now. You need pork to finish this bento. But it doesn't mean you need something specific. It can be pork ribs or anything, but this time I will use pork loin. Please prepare an appropriate amount. It doesn't fit in the lunchbox so much, so I think it's better to prepare a small amount. What is the decisive factor in the taste of baking with ginger? It's a dipping sauce. Mixing the sauce is the secret to making a delicious ginger grill. Ginger can be either raw or in a tube. For ginger grilled sauce, add ginger, sugar, sake, mirin, and soy sauce and mix well. Adjust the amount of ginger to your liking. Add the mixed sauce to the pork loin and pickle it. If you soak it for about 15 to 20 minutes, the taste will soak in nicely. It's okay to soak it a little longer. If you want to soak in the taste quickly, we recommend putting it in a plastic bag and rubbing it several times. About 20 minutes have passed since it was pickled. It is one of the fun to wait while imagining the appearance of eating pork loin that was pickled well. Save the well-pickled sauce for later use. Add an appropriate amount of salad oil and heat the frying pan. When the frying pan gets hot, add the meat and bake it. If the amount is small, let's bake them all together. Loin meat is made of fine meat and fragrant fat. However, it is recommended to eat early as the part with less fat tends to harden. I will bake it further using the soap sauce. If you want to spend some time after making it, using ribs will solve the problem. So let's prepare a lunchbox. After putting the rice in the bento box, spread the cabbage prepared in advance. As a ginger grilled dish, green onions are also suitable, so please use it as you like. Let's put ginger grilled on the final finish. Meat is the main dish, so you'll want to have a salad as a side dish. If you like, you can try sprinkling a little sesame seeds. Beautiful loin that fits nicely in the bento box. A refreshing salad is also served vividly. Imagine the impact of jumping into your eyes the moment you open the lid, and you'll be hungry. Loin meat that is well soaked in taste has a moderate sweetness. The flavor of soy sauce and the aroma of ginger are strong, and the more you chew, the more you miss rice. You can also enjoy a different taste by lightly squeezing the lemon to make it refreshing. Bento is packed after it has cooled, but if you eat it immediately after making it, you can eat it in any part without any problem. If you eat it, You will definitely be addicted to it and your head will be filled with ginger. The menu will be very satisfying even at dinner, so please give it a try.